Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Unlock the iPhone and make sure cellular service or Wi-Fi calling is active. Open the phone app and tap voicemail in the lower right. This is where you control message settings. Once done, check whether visual voicemail loads a greeting and message list. That determines the next steps. If you see a call voicemail button, you'll use the carrier menu. Otherwise, visual voicemail lets you manage greetings and deletions directly. Keep your carrier PIN handy if prompted. Now take action. If you have visual voicemail, tap Greeting, choose Custom, record a short, silent, or brief message, then save. This effectively stops audible voicemail playback. If visual voicemail isn't available, tap Call Voicemail and follow the carrier prompts to change or deactivate voicemail, typically via mailbox settings or by entering your PIN. Make sure to confirm changes by calling your number from another phone. Also consider creating a silent greeting with spaces if carrier menus lack a disable option. Finish up by testing. Call your number from a different phone and listen for voicemail. If your silent greeting or carrier disable didn't take, contact your carrier. Voicemail is often controlled server-side and may require them to toggle the service. If instructed, clear existing messages or, as a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone. This won't erase media but will forget Wi-Fi and VPNs. If problems persist, ask the carrier to confirm mailbox status while you're on the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.